Chinese electric vehicle EV maker Nio, New York Stock Exchange, NIO, was one of the biggest winners in the stock market last year. After an almost 50% increase in its price this past month, Nio is showing no signs of slowing down. Today, we will check out Nio Stock Analysis Today. Number 8. Nio Profile. Nio Inc., China, is a holding company which engages in the design, manufacture, and sale of electric vehicles, driving innovations and next-generation technologies in connectivity, autonomous driving, and artificial intelligence. Its products include EP9 supercar and ES8 7-seater SUV. The company provides users with home charging and Powers Express valet service and other power solutions, including access to public charging, access to power mobile charging trucks, and battery swapping. The company was founded by Li Bin and Qin Li Hong in November 2014 and is headquartered in Jiading, China. Number 7. Stock Price Forecast. As of the 22nd of February, Nio secures the mean deviation of 3.65 and risk adjustment performance of 0.0725. In respect to fundamental indicators, the technical analysis model lets you check practical technical drivers of Nio Inc., as well as the relationship between them. Strictly speaking, you can use this information to find out if the firm will indeed mirror its model of past prices, or the prices will eventually revert. We were able to collect and analyze data for 19 technical drivers for Nio, which can be compared to its peers in the industry. The 19 analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Nio Inc. have a medium target of $68.91 with a high estimate of $100.48 and a low estimate of $14.95. The medium estimate represents a plus 25.19% increase from the last price of $55.04. The current consensus among 19 polled investment analysts is to buy stock in Nio Inc. Nio published its latest monthly vehicle delivery data on February 1st. The company delivered 7,225 vehicles in January, an increase of roughly 352% compared to the prior year period. China represents a massive market with roughly 1.4 billion people, and government efforts to move the country to EVs could be a powerful long-term tailwind for Nio. Nio has a market capitalization of roughly $89 billion and is valued at approximately 18.5 times this year's expected sales. Number 6. Stellar earnings and financial position. Nio has had an incredible past few quarters. Its revenues have grown by triple digits and the company is getting ever so close to breaking even. It appears as if its fourth quarter will be no different. In quarter 4, Nio delivered 17,353 vehicles, which represents a 111% increase on a year-over-year basis. It set a new monthly record with 7,007 deliveries in December, representing a 121% year-over-year growth. Nio has delivered roughly 40% of its vehicles this quarter. Its revenues may surpass guidance at around $1 billion, representing a 130% to 140% year-over-year increase. Fiscal revenues will rise to nearly $2.75 billion, easily beating consensus estimates at $2.4 billion. As Nio gets closer and closer to turning a profit, margin expansion will be imperative. Stronger growth in delivery should help offset heavy operational expenses and get it closer to its margin targets. At this rate, it appears as if Nio could turn a profit within the next couple of years. Additionally, Nio has done an excellent job in solidifying its financial position. The company currently has $3.3 billion in cash, buffed up by its recent 68 million shares offering $39 per ads. It will be using the proceeds from the share offering for R&D and general purposes. Number 5. The potential of the ET7. Nio recently showed off its new ET7 electric luxury sedan, which is expected to be the company's first autonomous vehicle. It comes with a sleek design and a range of over 620 miles with a solid-state battery option down the road. It will have a starting price of $69,100 and a lower price of roughly $58,300 if the customer opts for the company's battery subscription program. Moreover, the car can get up to 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds. Nio also showcased its latest 150 kilowatt per hour battery pack and onboard computing systems, a part of the ET7. The car is said to have autonomous capabilities and a solid-state battery option. The bank believes that the car will add roughly 3,000 to 4,000 units a month from the first quarter of 2022. Number 4. Nio stock investors react to new EV. Nio took aim at U.S. rival Tesla at last month's Nio Day event with the reveal of its new luxury sedan, the ET7, a model that's been in the works for some time and features an exterior specifically designed for autonomous driving. Investor Place readers chose Nio as their top stock for 2021. However, contributor Thomas Nio last week advised readers that after the incredible run of Nio stock since last year, it may be time to take profits in the name. A contrary opinion was offered by Chris Lau, who was pleased with recent sales of Nio stock and convertible notes offering. The cash raised is not hurting Nio stock yet. Demand for the hot stock gives the company many more opportunities to strengthen its balance sheet, he wrote. Number 3. Nio Technical Analysis. Shares triggered a sell signal in intraday trading February 18th, falling more than 8% from a $57.30 cup-shaped buy point first cleared on January 8th, according to MarketSmith chart analysis. On the back of a 6-day slide, Nio stock is now testing the 50-day, 10-week lines, and a potential buy area could emerge at that level if shares rebound. Investors might want to wait for Nio to at least retake its 21-day moving average, which is currently close to the old $57.30 buy point. If Nio stock does rebound, it will soon have a new base with a $67.09 buy point. Nio does look a bit overbought on the chart recently. Thankfully, we have seen a bit of a pullback to close the gap in the chart. Some key support levels are the old high from November, $58.37, and December high of $49.86. A break below the latter would end the bullish trend. Traders looking to get long but worried about the chart could go long Nio short Tesla to give some cover. The output start index for this execution was 21 with a total number of output elements of 40. The normalized average true range is used to analyze tradable opportunities for Nio Inc. across different markets. Number 2. Nio Earnings and Fundamental Analysis. On key earnings and other fundamental metrics, Nio lags. It's a young and fast-growing company still looking to turn a profit. Nio stock earns an EPS rating of 52 out of 99 and an SMR rating of D on a scale of A+ to a worse E. The EPS rating compares a company's earning growth versus other companies. The SMR rating measures sales growth, profit margins, and return on equity. On November 17, Nio beat estimates for the third quarter. Nio lost 12 cents a share as revenue more than doubled. Quarter over quarter, Nio saw vehicle margin expand and cash more than double. While earnings remain elusive, losses are narrowing. Nio reports for quarter 4 and full year 2020, March 1st. 4 analysts on Wall Street rate Nio stock a buy, 5 have a hold, and none have a sell per Zacks. Number 1. Final word on Nio stock. Nio stock couldn't have had a better 2020, and it's off to a similar start this year. It has several developments in the pipeline, including its luxury ET7, which should ensure a healthy increase in deliveries for the foreseeable future. Nio's balance sheet is pristine, and its strong earnings performance continues to beef up its cash balance. Even though Tesla's foray into the Chinese market could potentially be a cause for concern in the long term, and the stock is pricey, I feel it's well worth investing in at this time. Do let us know in the comment what you think about Nio stock. Please subscribe to the Stock Advisor. Thanks for watching.